Are you still showing competitors' commercials in your lounge? Are news and inappropriate daytime content creating a negative impact on your store? The digital dealership system offers several options, including commercial-free live TV and commercial replacement. You can even add your DMS-connected service status to select products to boost CSI. Commercial-free DDS.TV offers dealers complete control of the customer lounge entertainment. With family-friendly, filtered content mixed with dealership and exclusive videos, the customer isn't distracted by negative news or competitor ads. The premium content is surrounded by marketing messages including sales specials, finance, and service offers. Messages are easy to update online or send updates to us, and we'll do it for you. The exclusive Super Ticker automatically rotates through ESPN Sports and Entertainment Tonight news feeds, as well as dealer sales and service messages that are simple to update. You can also add DMS integrated service status, so your customers will automatically be notified when their vehicle is ready. For dealers that want to give their customers access to live TV, but keep their marketing front and center, Broadcast TV surrounds live TV with marketing and the Super Ticker. Customers can watch any channel they wish using your standard remote control for uninterrupted TV. Broadcast TV also supports the DMS integrated service status to help boost CSI and future business. For dealers that want the ultimate control of live TV, the digital dealership system offers commercial replacement on live TV. The system senses when outside commercials are going to play and interrupts them with dealer and manufacturer commercials, virtually eliminating competitor ads. The digital dealership system customer lounge TV solutions appeal to both the dealer's needs and the customer's desires. The digital dealership system offers a premium suite of digital sign and kiosk solutions for the modern dealer. The professionally designed and installed solutions increase dealer profits and drive future growth for all brands and sizes of dealerships. The constantly growing list of services and integrations make the digital dealership system the right partner for today's dealership and tomorrow's market leader. Visit our website or contact your local representative today to learn more and allow us to digitize your dealership.